I answered this question before. It was asked differently. The same thing, I understand. Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu is Khatam al-Auliya between Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and the time when a prophet, subordinate prophet will be born in the Ummah of Muhammad Rasulullah Sallam, and a new phase will begin. You understand? Hazrat Muslim Wasallam will not be one of the walis alone. He would also be a subordinate prophet of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That is why Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has divided the age after him in two phases. One, La Nabi Abadi, up to the time when a Nabi will be raised by Allah. That is with reference to Jesus Christ. So the time in between is the period where Hazrat Ali's Vilayat rules supreme. Afterwards, a new phase of a subordinate prophet in Islam begins according to the prophecy of Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. Then Hazrat Masih Maud Wasallam becomes Khatam al-Auliya in another sense. Like there was no prophet between this period, but there were Auliya. So until Allah so wills, there will be no prophet after Masih Maud Wasallam, and there will be Auliya like it happened in the previous phase. So the whole matter seems to be completely clear. I don't see why eyebrows should be raised. Right? Please.
So shall I translate the question in English first? I think I have to translate the question in English because he asked in Arabic. Brother Munir said that we has asked recently from Hazur about the meaning of the seals of Auliya, which was mentioned in the book of the Promised Messiah, and specifically in Khutbah al-Hamiyya. And he said today also I want to ask that Hazrat Muhammad said to Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anh, that he is the seals of Auliya Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He wants to Hazur to clarify this. And
again, it is not out of question. It is not impossible that like Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was granted someone to be born in his image, but under him. So maybe Hazrat Ali is also granted the same status, that during the new continuation of subordinate Nabuwwat, a subordinate Khatamul Auliya is created to indicate the supremacy of Hazrat Ali over all ages in the same way. This is a very minute issue of likelihood. But if you extend your imagination to the ultimate possibility, then for the sake of Hazrat Ali, to grant him the status not only till the time of Masih Maud Wasallam, but even after that. This is the only possibility. That like in the Zil of Masih Maud Rasulullah Sallam, Ahmad Sallam was repeated. So in the Zil of Hazrat Ali, someone may be repeated afterwards. But this is not what we are told about. This is just a mental exercise that this possibility cannot be ruled out. Understand? Got it?
Yes.
Okay.